The Nador province is located in the far northeast of Morocco on the Mediterranean coast, distinguished by its strategic position as a gateway between Morocco and Europe. The province is known for its natural diversity, featuring beautiful coastlines, towering mountains, and fertile plains that nurture olive and fruit cultivation. Nador stands out for its economic vitality, being an important center for fishing and related industries, alongside a thriving commercial activity that reflects the cultural exchange between Morocco and Europe. The province is undergoing a significant transformation with the Nador West Mediterranean Port Project, considered one of the largest and deepest ports in Morocco and the Mediterranean Sea. This project will contribute to strengthening the province's status as a global logistical and commercial hub, with a massive capacity for containers and goods. Lake Marchica, located next to the port, is a distinctive natural tourist destination, combining stunning landscapes and environmental diversity, which enhances the province's attractiveness to visitors and enriches economic and cultural development opportunities. Today, Nador Province strives to develop its infrastructure and boost the tourism and industrial sectors, benefiting from its unique location and diverse natural environment.